अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कैफ़ हालुकुम या अय्युहन नास।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बखैर। कैफ हालुकी?
बिखैरिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। So let's start the class. Last time we have done our third dialogue, if I remember. Yes, this dialogue we have done. Let me share the screen. Everyone can see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. So far, everyone got clear their minds regarding understanding these hivars and whatever we have learned in last lesson. Is there any query or question where you can get some confusion or something like that? Okay, let's move on. We have done these exercises. I hope you all have done the exercises, but I didn't see any of the homework in group. So kindly let me know that you guys are doing the practice at home or not.
Yes, we are doing it.
Okay. Let's start then. Mufradatu izafiya. Extra mufradat we will learn today. Unzur wastami awaid. Look and listen and repeat. So if you guys remember last time, we have already learned the counting from 1 to 10. So I hope you are doing the practice and you are trying to learn the counting from 1 to 10. So after 10, we will move on. I will tell you more counting about the numbers, and I will explain to you about the numbers, rules, and regulations later. Right now, it is sitta, 6, sab'a, 7, samaniya, 8, tis'a, ashara. We already have done. Sil bain al adadi was sawratil munasiba, like you have to count these books and you have to match the correct number. So I hope you guys can do it all by yourself at home. This is also, you need to arrange these words. Rattib means arrange the numbers. Like they have given the numbers here randomly, so you have to arrange the numbers like 6, then after 6, which number will come? 7, then 8, then 9 and 10. So you have to write them down here. Then ashir al adadil lazi tasma'u, like you have to hear and you have to mention which word I am saying. Like I would say, where is the number 7? So you will mark here. You will check this out, that this number is 7, this number is 8. So you guys can do the practice in your practice session. That one person can say the number and other person can tell you that which number you are calling. Likewise, kulil adad al mashara ilayhi. This is also, you can say the numbers in like in arrangement or randomly, you can for the learning. Like you can say sitta, where is sitta here? This is sab'a, this is samaniya, tis'a, ashara, like this. Okay, next exercise is at-tarakibun nahawiyya. التدريب الأول تبادل السؤال والجواب مع زميلك كما في المثالين. See, this is the exercise where they have given the example. They have shown shown the example regarding understanding that how can we do the exercise. Like example 1 is Ain al Metaf. Who will tell me the meaning Ain al Metaf?
Where is the code?
Yes, where is the code? Okay, then What is the answer? Haza huwal mataf. Here is the quote. Okay. Likewise, another example is Aina al-ghurfa. Who will give me the translation is?
Where is room?
Yes. Where is the room? Aina al-ghurfa. Hazihi hiya al-ghurfa. Here is the room. Okay, so likewise, these pictures has given. I hope you guys can do these exercises all by yourself because so far we have started second unit and we are going to end it up. And some understanding you guys got to know towards Arabic. So I hope you all can do it all by yourself. So this would be your homework. You can also do the practice in your practice session regarding making these words. Like let me make it for you for one or two. Like we can say here, there is a picture of Ibn. So how can you say Ainal Ibn? Where is the boy or where is the son? Haza huwal Ibn. Here is the boy. Likewise, you can make all of the sentences and using these mufradat. Musalla, masjid, hammam, surah, shajara, nazara, ibna. At-tadribu sani, tabadal sual. Same question is that given examples, we have to check them out, and then after understanding these examples, we can make these sentences kind of examples. Like for instance, they have given Aina Sa'id. Sa'idun fil ghurfati yaqra'ul Quran. Who will say? Who will tell me about this? Sa'idun fil ghurfa yaqra'ul Quran. Yes.
Saeed is in the room reading Quran.
Perfect. Sa'id is in the room reading Quran. Aina Sa'ida? Sa'idatun fil ghurfati taqra'ul Quran. Who will do this?
Saida is
Where
in the
is
room
Saeed?
and reading Quran.
Sorry.
Saida is in the room and reading Quran.
Perfect. And there is no end. Wow shows the end. You just say Saida is in the room reading Quran. If there would be wow, then you can say you could have said end. Otherwise, you are not supposed to say wow. Okay. Okay, so who will make this? Saeed al-Ghurfa yaqra al-Quran. Who will make the sentence like this? Question and answer.
Aina Saeed. Saeed fi al-ghurfa yuqra al-Quran.
Yaqra al-Quran.
Yaqra al-Quran.
Yes. Just check the Arab properly and then yaqra al-Quran. Okay. Who will? I guess you also can do this. Yes. Who will do this? This one. Salihun al-Masjid yusalli. Who will make it like this? Example.
Aina Saleh. Saleh fil masjid. Yusalla yusalli.
Saleh. Yes. Aage.
Salah fil masjid. आगे से मुझे दिया युसल्ली मुसल्ला.
No. Just yusalli.
Okay.
Saleh fil masjid yusalli. That's it.
Yes.
Okay. Because there is no word like musalla. If they have given the word musalla, then you could have used it. Okay. Like here, who will make it Saliha?
Saliha fil musalla tusalli.
Again, I couldn't hear.
Saliha fil musalla tusalli.
Perfect. I hope you guys will make it all by yourself. So let's move on to third exercise, at-tadribus salis. This is the same question, tabadul sualul jawaba ma zamilik kama fil misal. So man haza, example is man haza. What does it mean? Man haza. Ma mana.
Who is this?
Who is this? Perfect. Haza walidi Adnan huwa muhandis. Who will tell me?
वो अदनान का वालिद है और वो नहीं और नहीं आएगा, वो इंजीनियर है.
Exactly. He is the father of Adnan. Huwa muhandis. He is an engineer. Okay, so who will make it? Umar, Mudarris.
I can make.
Yeah, sure.
هذا هو هذا
First make question.
عمر. Okay, fine. من هذا
Man
هذا
hazihi. She's female.
है
Oh,
है
yeah.
ना.
Perfect. Yes, perfect.
من هذا
Okay,
هذا عمر هو مدرس.
perfect. Haza Umar huwa mudarris. Who will make it? There is no female. Okay, you guys also can do it. If there would be any confusion, you
It
can
won't be ammi, like it's walidi. So it won't be haza ammi Umar.
No, Haza Walidi Adnan. They had to, I don't understand them. It might be a mistake because there are some mistakes in this book. So I don't understand why did they write Chotiya. I was also observing that there wouldn't, like they are not supposed to mention Chotiya here because Haza Walidi Adnan. This is not supposed to come here, Chotiya, because Walid Adnan. We are not supposed to, we only use Chotiya for me, for I, okay? Haza walidi Adnan huwa muhandis. Haza Umar huwa mudarris. Okay, so I hope you guys will make it all by yourself. Try to do the practice as much as you can. On weekend, you can keep 1 or 2 sessions for the practice. And if there would be any confusion, you can call me or you can text me. At-tadribur rabi, fourth exercise. Hawla kama fil misal. Like around these examples, we need to see that how can we do this exercise. Yes, Sumera, you have raised your hand.
ये मेरे वालिद भी तो हो सकते हैं. हाजा वालिदी अदनान, ये मेरे वालिद अदनान है और वो इंजीनियर है.
Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Very good, Sumera. This would be the point. Haza walidi Adnan. I guess I am telling my father's name, right? Like he's my father, Adnan. He is Muhandis. He is an engineer. Perfect. So likewise, we can make here Haza Ammi. He's my uncle Umar. He is an engineer. So yes, for both of the sides, if we can say, if we can see both of the sides, we can make the sentences. Like if we are saying Haza Walid Adnan, it means this is this is the father of Adnan. He is an engineer. All right. So both are correct. But here, yes, Sumaira ne bahut acha point out kiya. She has done very well. That Walidi means like I am telling my father's name, Adnan. Okay. All right, Haza Walidi Adnan. Yes, here also they have used Walidi. This is my father Adnan. Haza Waliduhu Adnan. This is Waliduhu Adnan. Who will tell me about this?
ये
This
उसके
is
के लिए
his father, Adnan.
This is his father Adnan. Perfect. Okay. So likewise, you can make these sentences. Who will make it? First picture.
Haza walidati Khadija. Haza walidatuha
Hazihi
Khadija.
Walidati. Hazihi.
Hazi.
Yes.
Hazihi walidati Khadija. Hazihi walidatuhu Khadija.
Perfect. Okay, so this would be the difference that haza or hazihi, hua or hiya. We have to remind ourselves that for male, we use haza, for this is, and we for he is, we use hua. And for female, we use this is hazihi, and for she is hiya. Okay, so I hope you guys will have to do this exercise easily. Okay, next is मुलखसित तराकीब यानी हमने we have to make these sentences in the arrangement like in last unit if you remember we also had an exercise like this. So one or two examples I can tell you and then rest of others you can make it all by yourself at home. أين المعطف أين النظارة like من هذا من أنت من هي هو يصلي هو يقرأ هي تتودع هي now let me clear to you guys about this as in last class we were about to discuss but class was ended. I was telling you about that this is the فعل مضارع. It is called فعل مضارع means we are talking about the present tense, okay? So, huwa yatawadda'u. He is doing the ablution. If we say yatawadda'u, it's a complete sentence. Like he is doing ablution or he does ablution. Yusalli, he offer prayers. He recite Quran or he is reading. Basically, iqra, qara, yaqra means reading. Okay. So why I'm saying iqra, qara, yaqra, these are different form of words. Like in English, we use different form of words like first form, second form, and third form. Likewise, in Arabic, we will use different forms in present, past, and future. And later on, we will discuss in next lessons, inshallah. Likewise, tatawaddau. Here you can see for he. For he, we are using yatawaddau. For she, we are using tatawaddau. For that purpose, I have made a picture for you and I am going to share the picture in group after the class. Let me show you the things so you can easily get to know the things, how you can make the sentences. Wait a minute. Everyone can see this picture. So here, atawadda'u, natawadda'u, yatawadda'u, tatawadda'u, tatawadda'u, tatawadda'ina. So who will tell me what is this all?
These are verbs.
Yes.
Atavaddau, I am making ablution. Natavaddau, they are making ablutions.
No.
We are making ablutions. Sorry, we are
Is,
making ablutions.
yeah, noon is symbolizing nahnu.
We. Yatavaddau, he is doing ablution. Tatavaddau, she is doing ablution. Tatavaddau, again tatavaddau.
Yes, there are two tatawaddau. I mentioned
So
both of them in arrangement, so you can't confuse to see them because one tatawaddau means you, male. One tatawaddau means she, female.
female. Okay.
Both are
And
same.
tatavaddain is they are.
No,
They
tatawaddaina,
are.
you, female.
You female. Okay.
Yes. Oh, wait a minute. Let me.
Acha, this you is single W, dual U it is, if I'm not wrong. This tatawaddain is W means dual plural it is.
Wait a minute.
The last one I'm
No,
talking
no,
about.
no, no, no. Like for instance, if I say takra'u, reading, you are reading. I'm saying to you, female second person. I'm saying you are reading. So what would I say? Takra'ina, takra'ina.
Acha,
Got it?
okay. Matlab
For
this U is
female.
for single person only. It's
For
not for
single.
dual U. It is
Yes,
single
for
U.
single female.
Okay, for single male. Okay.
Okay, this is little confusing, but after doing practice, you guys will get to know. Wait a minute, let me show you. Here is the notation. I'm not getting to the pointer. नहीं मिल रहा मुझे. Okay, fine. Later on, I will write them down here. Atawaddahu, I am doing ablution or I do ablution. Natawaddahu, we do ablution or we are doing ablution. Are you noticing that both of the sentences in English have different meaning, but in Arabic, if we want to say we do or we are doing are the same in Arabic, right? Natawaddahu, yatawaddahu, yatawaddahu, ya. Always remember yatawaddahu is for you, single person, second person, male. I'm talking to a second person, you are doing ablution for male. Tatawaddahu, she. Sorry. I'm really sorry. Apology. Yatawaddahu is using for he is doing ablution. I'm so sorry. Yatawaddahu used for male, he. He is doing ablution, yatawaddahu. And we have two tatawaddahu. One tatawaddahu is using for she is doing ablution, and one tatawaddahu is using for you, male, second person. I hope you got to know. If there would be still confusion, so kindly let me know. This yatawaddahu and tatawaddahu are using for he and she, and this tatawaddahu and tatawaddagina are using for male and female, second person. Tatawaddahu is male, you are doing ablution. Tatawaddagina is you are doing ablution for female. Is there any confusion? I hope.
फिर ये दोनों तत्वद्दव को कैसे पता चलेगा?
Sorry, it's okay. Tatawaddahu are same. Tatawaddahu are same. If you are talking about second person male, so you will say tatawaddahu. If you are talking to female, she is, so you will explain about tatawaddahu. ये पता चल जाता है because if I am talking to second person, what you are doing this, you are doing that. So already automatically we get to know that who we are talking to, you or he, she. Okay.
तो जिस तरह से हम इंग्लिश में अगले बंदे को यू करके करते हैं, तो यहाँ पे भी यही है, तातावद्दाउ मतलब फीमेल मेल दोनों के लिए इंग्लिश में भी तो यही होता है, यू.
Exactly. This is what I'm saying. Tatawaddau, you are doing ablution. I'm talking to female person, second person. Okay. Tatawaddaina, you are doing ablution. I'm talking to a second person, female. Okay. And when we are talking about the person who is not here, who is absent, what we call third person, he or she. So he or she are yatavaddau and tatavaddau. Yatavaddau for male, tatavaddau for female. I hope you got understood. Okay, so let's move on. These exercises I'm leaving on you guys for your wajibul manzili, your homework. Next exercise is at-tadribul awwal. Yes. These words you have to speak out loud and do the practice as much as you can, so you can easily take out the makhraj from your throats. Like alayhim, alim, atat, arduha, asir, ataw, alam. Like how can we take out the makhraj for ayn and how can we take out the makhraj of alif? See, there are a lot of words which has the same sound, but they have different meanings. Like you can see these lists. So many words are similar to each other, but they have different meaning. And due to the alif and ayn, we have to say these words differently, like alayhim and alim. Like here they have given yamur. Here they have given yamur. Here they have given wa'ada, wa'ada, sorry. Wait a minute. Yes, ya'uduhu. Here we are sounding for n, ayn. Here we are sounding for hamza. So ya'uduhu, ya'uduhu. Sa'ala, ta'lamun, ta'lamun. So سؤال سؤال. جاء جاء. أجزع أجزأ. أجزع أجزع. ارجع ارجع. جزع جزع جزع. يقرأ يقرأ. Okay, so these kind of words you have to do the practice, a lot of practice, so you can easily come to know what we can do for this. So as I told you earlier that after 4 to 5 lesson, we would discuss about these ayahs, inshallah, later on. We will, yes, we would have same exercises ahead. Okay. See, all of you guys have to check these exercises and let me know if there would be any mistake. You can ask me and you can discuss with me. Ajib anil asilata taliya. This is a 6th exercise. At-tadribus at-tadribut tasiya. No, sorry. At-tadribus sadisa. 6th exercise. At-tadribu sadisa. Man walidur rasul, man walidatur rasul, man jaddur rasul, man ar-rasul, man ibnur rasul, man ibnatur rasul. Everything has given in the shajaratur rasul, so we can write here. Easily you can get to know. These are the matching things. You can match the things like yaqra, yaqra, yusalli, yusalli. Same words have to be matched here. Here you have to figure out that which word is correctly written. All of the things we have already done in last 2 units. So try hard to do these exercises slowly and gradually. Daily, if you will do one exercise, so it will not take so much time of yours. So try hard. If there would be any confusion, you can ask. So in our next class, we can discuss about this. Next lesson is as-sakan. Who will tell me the meaning of as-sakan?
Sakan means living.
Perfect.
Live.
Okay, and which unit it is?
Unit 3rd. Salasa.
Exactly.
Salisa, sorry.
Al-wahdatu salisa. Like when we say 3, so we can say salis. Okay, but when we say 3rd, so we say salisa. Al-wahdatu salisa, 3rd unit 3rd, as-sakan living. Let's read it quickly and then because we have a short of time. Tomorrow we would have a long class and we will discuss some more things. Al-Hiwarul Awwal, first dialogue. Unzur wastami' wa'id. Ahmad, assalamu alaikum. Hassan, wa alaikum assalam. Ahmad, aina taskunu. Who will give it a try? Aina taskunu.
Where do you live?
Perfect. Hassan, askunu fi hayyil matar. So, as we have already discussed about atavaddau, natavaddau, tatawaddau. So, likewise, whenever we will read the words fa'il, so we can see that ta, alif, and ya are showing that you, he, she, or we. So, taskunu is showing that where do you live? I am asking to the second person. Askunu means I live. Fi in Hayil Matar. Who will tell me? Is there anyone who can know?
Near airport? Askun fi
Yes,
hayyil
might be,
matar.
but not near, around the airport. Or we can say closer to the airport. Askunu fi Hayil Matar. Wa aina taskunu anta. And where do you live? Ahmad. Askunu fi Hayyal Jamia. I live in the area of university, near the closer to the university or nearby the university. Hassan, hal taskunu fi bait. Do you live in the house? When we have, earlier also I told you that when there is a question starting with hal, it means there would be an answer with the naam or la, yes or no questions जो होता है ना, we use for hal. We use the questions beginning from hal. Hal taskunu fi bait? Do you live in the house? In house? Ahmad, naam, yes. Askunu fi bait? Yes, I live in house, in a house. Wahal taskunu fi bait? And do you live in a house? Hassan, la, no. Askunu fi shakka? No, I live in a flat. Ahmad, ma rakmu shakkatik? Ma rakmu shakkatik? What is the number of your flat? Shakkatika? Shakkatika means your flat. What is the number of your flat? Hassan. What is it? Khamsa. Wama rakmu baitik? Khamsa means 5. Wama rakmu baitika? And what's the number of your house? Ahmad. Tis'a. 9. Okay. Is there anything you guys have to ask?
Yes, teacher, I need to ask one thing.
Yes.
अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा कि जब हम फीमेल के बारे में बात करेंगे तो ता से वर्ड शुरू होगा, और जब मेल के बारे में बात करेंगे या मेल बात कर रहे होंगे तो या से शुरू होगा. तो ये
No.
तस्कुन होगा या यस्कुन होगा?
No. I told you ya use for he.
ही यू मतलब
He, ya use for, yes kunu will use for he, where he
Okay.
lives. And ta use
Okay,
for
okay, okay.
taskunu. I told you,
Means
yes, ta use
you,
for she
single
and
you.
you male.
अच्छा, okay.
Okay?
Okay, now
Ta
I
use for
understood. Yes, yes.
sorry, she
Hmm.
or you male. If
And
I'm talking
you
to
male.
a
ठीक है,
second
okay.
person male, so there would
Okay.
be, yes, there would be ta. And
Thank you,
if
thank you.
I ask or I think about that, where does she live? Where does she live? So how can I ask? Where does she live?
आईना तस्कुन.
Exactly. Aina taskunu Sara. Where Sara lives. Where does Sara live? Aina taskunu Sara. Or Aina taskunu Hamid. Where does he live? So how can I say? Aina yaskunu. Okay. If I would ask you, where do you live? So how would can I say? Female, second person.
आईना तस्कुन.
Aina taskunina. As I told you,
हाँ,
tatavaddaina.
yes. Fine,
Okay.
fine.
Aina
आईना तस्कुन.
taskunina.
सही.
Okay. So
तस्कुन.
likewise,
सही.
you can do the practice, make different kind of sentences, whatever we have done in last 2 units, whatever we have learned in last 2 units. So we can make the sentences all by ourselves. Like I can say, I live in the house. And you can also, in practice session, you can do the
I live in the
conversation.
house. Askun bait. Askun
Askunu,
fiel bait.
yes, askunu fil baiti or askunu fi bait. Fi
Fi
baitin.
bait. Okay.
Okay, fi
Baitin.
baitin. If we, one more thing I can tell you, that you can notice that when there would be al with any word, so you are not supposed to put the tanween. Okay, if there would no al, we can use the tanween. Like here, if there would be al fil baiti, so we would not supposed to put the tanween here. With tanween, al can't be used. With al, tanween can't be used. Okay, this is the tip. You can note it down, and you will in next lessons or next conversations, you can notice that when there would be al, we are not supposed to use tanween. So if we can say fil baiti means in the house. If I can say fi baitin, it means in a house. Are you noticing the difference?
Yes, I can.
Okay,
understand.
so
I can understand.
we have to wrap it up. So far, I told you the Fele Mudare very clearly. So try hard. In last unit, we have done multiple verbs like Iqra, Taqra, Yusalli, Tatawadda. So you can make some sentences regarding that and using the Aina, Kaifa, Ma, haza, hazihi. So make some sentences by yourself so you can do more practice and you can get to know the meanings and you can get to know how can you make the sentences all by yourself. Tomorrow I will tell you the, wait a minute. Tomorrow we will discuss about the all of the WH questions and we will discuss about the haruf jar, as I told you, prepositions, inshallah. And we also do the some more exercises, inshallah, a part of this book. So take care of yourself. Yakfi hadha bil yawm, sanaltaqi gadan. Ma'as salama.
एक क्वेश्चन है मैम,
Yes.
ये जो आपने चार्ट दिया तवद्दा नतवद्दा यतवद्दा ततवद्दा, इसके बारे में वो डिटेल